Hey kids, A for aeroplane, B for boy, C for cow, D for drum, E for ear, F for flower, G for glass, H for hand, I for Island, J for jacket, K for kangaroo, L for leg, M for mouse, N for nail, O for onion, P for pencil, Q for question, R for rose, S for snake, T for train, U for unicorn, V for vegetable, W for whale, X for Xmas tree, Y for yarn, Z for zero. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon. Thank you.